Good morning, everyone. My name is Charis Miasco, and this is my report, Bata Bata, Paano Ka Ginawa? Now, this is a movie, Bata Bata, Paano Ka Ginawa, which is led by Vilma Santos, Carlo Aquino, and Dalrymple. Yes. So now, this movie is released on September 9, 1998. And this movie is all about women's rights advocate and has two children from different fathers. When the fathers end up asking for custody, she decides that she'll let her children decide who they want. So let us first know who are the characters of this movie. The first one, of course, the main character, which is Leah Bustamante. So, Leah Bustamante is a strong-willed protagonist, a single mother who challenges societal norms while raising her children. And this is Carlo Aquino as Uji. Uji is Leah's son who struggles with his mother's unconventional choices. Now this is Serena Dalrymple. Serena as Maya Bustamante. So Maya is Leah's younger daughter who is more accepting, inquisitive, sometimes mischievous but sweet. These children, two children of Leah, they're always fighting, but Uji loves his younger sister, and he cares for Maya, even though they are from different fathers. They're just half sisters and half brothers. So this is Ariel Rivera as Rafi. So who is Rafi? Rafi is Leah's ex-partner. They are both married. This is first husband of Leah, but they've been broke up, and so Rafi is Uji's father. So Rafi left to work abroad and later wants to take Uji with him. And then the second partner of Albert, which is Albert Martinez as Ding. So he is a second partner of Leah. So they can't be able to be married because Leah was been married by Rafi. So they're just kung baga sa Bisaya pa, kabit lang si Ding ni Leah. So Ding is a father of Maya. And also he left too, but still visits Maya sometimes. So this is Angel Aquino as Eleanor. So Eleanor is the current wife of Rafi. She is kind and take care of the two children of Leah while Leah work. Marag ka nang kung mo lakaw si Leah, ibilin ni Eleanor. Ay ang ibilin ni Eleanor ang iyang duha ka anak. So this is Raimundo Bagatsing as Johnny. So Johnny is also a co-worker of Leah and friend. And Leah also likes him. But Raymond, or as Johnny, he didn't also respond Leah's feelings towards him. So this is Cherry Pie Pikachi as Sister Anne. Sister Anne is a kind nun who works with Leah. She supports women and helps in their group. Leah, Johnny, and Sister Anne are both a group, works together with their group who supports women. So now let's differentiate what is movie review and what is movie critic. So the first one is movie review. So movie review tells if the movie is good or bad, to inform and entertain readers by summarizing the film and offering a personal opinion. So while movie critic looks deeper into the movie. So in short, movie review is a opinion and recommendation, while movie critic is a deep analysis and evaluation. So now, my movie review of the movie Bata Bata Paano Ka Ginawa, based on Luwalhati Bautista's novel. This is a powerful Filipino drama that follows the life of Leah Bustamante, a strong-willed woman navigating single motherhood in conservative society. The film beautifully captures of a woman raising her children while dealing with societal expectations and personal relationships. Vilma Santos delivers an outstanding performance, portraying Leah as both vulnerable and fiercely independent. The chemistry between her and her children, played by Carlo Aquino and Serena Dal Rimpol, adds depth to the story, making it both emotional and relatable. The film's pacing is smooth, balancing drama with light-hearted moments that make Leah's journey feel authentic. The cinematography and direction by Chito S. Ronio, which is the director of this movie, is Chito S. Ronio, effectively captured the essence of Manila life in the late 90s, immersing the audience in the reality of Filipino womanhood. So my verdict is this is a must-watch for anyone interested in thought-provoking family dramas. It offers a raw yet inspiring look at motherhood, feminism, and personal freedom in the Philippines. However, my movie critic of this film is, at its core, this movie is a feminist narrative that challenges the traditional rules of women in Philippine society. Though Leah Bustamante's character, the film explores themes of gender equality, motherhood, and personal agency. One of the strongest elements of the film is its screenplay, which remains faithful to the novel's powerful dialogues and thought-provoking themes. Luwalhati Bautista's writing is known for its deep social commentary, and the adaptation does an excellent job of translating her message to the big screen. Vilma Santos' performance is undoubtedly the heart of the film. She embodies the resilience and strength of a modern Filipino woman, making her character's struggles deeply resonant. However, while the performances are stellar, some supporting characters lack the same depth, which could have a strength. The film's cinematography effectively captures the urban setting, though its visual storytelling sometimes leans on conventional techniques rather than more experimental or symbolic approaches. The soundtrack complements the film's emotional beats, enhancing the audience connection to the story. So my final thoughts: this movie succeeds in delivering a compelling and socially relevant story. It could have pushed its cinematography and character development further. Nevertheless, it remains an essential film in the Philippine cinema for its bold exploration of feminist themes. So the strengths of this movie is powerful lead performance, strong social commentary, emotional depth, and relatability. Well, the weakness is some underdeveloped supporting characters, underdeveloped, and also the dialogue is sometimes not good for children. So this movie is just for an adult, and be must watch for only the adult, because there is a sex about the movie. There's a sex, something bad about partners, their dialogues, this, and also the conventional cinematography. So overall rating of this movie is 4.5 over 5. So that's all of my report. Thank you for listening and watching. God bless.